Hey guys, here we are, and this is me. We're gonna go check out a flood, and it's been raised. It's kind of high, but it started 2 days ago. We had a lot of rain, and we're gonna go check it out. It went down a lot, so let's go check that out. See how it's doing for us. Let's go ahead and run. And we'll see you once we get down there. Okay, here we are, mate. Down in the creek, what flooded 2 days ago. See, it's kind of bad. Let's get down through here. That water, man. I don't got mud boots on. I got boots. Uh-oh. Can I get through here? Gotta jump real quick. Oh. Let's go check it out. Man. So, that right there is where see right? There is where our creek used to go. But now, it goes there. We're actually kind of happy it goes that way now because it's washing out through our field right through there. If it washes any more out, I think the fence is going to go in because it already got up in those woods. Because right here, we got a lot of deep stuff. Here we are. Yeah, mate. Yeah, we got some deep water. Let's not go by it because there's rocks. We could slip and fall and go in that. We don't want that. We'll get took in all the way down there. We'll go all the way through those trees back down there. See how it is. Oh man, it ruined our perfect swimming hole. Look what it done. Way to go, mate. What you do? Why'd you do that? Oh gosh, it's deer season. I forgot my orange. See, I'm totally not in orange right now. I'm in like blue and brown, right over together, and boots. Nothing orange on me. Just a little on my hands. Let's see. And it's flowing bad. This is 2 days after the flood. So, the day it happened, I'm standing right here on the gravel. I would be underwater right now. It was flowing through here. It was up through here. And there was a bunch of cool stuff. It was really deep. And now it gives us this. What the heck? Let's go explore some more stuff. See what we got real quick. Holy shit. Look at that. No, I ain't definitely going not near that. Man. Okay, I'm going to go up here. Okay, here we are. We're on the other side of the creek right now. We got some. It was like a river, a big lake. But now, it's gone lower. And we can walk on the gravel now. But this water is not safe. Like, if I step right in the middle over there, I'm going to go way down there. Because this is pretty fast water. Got up there. It's been washing out through these trees. And it was up here, everything. Okay.